students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes, taking care of yourself. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 3. Name of the chapter is series and patterns and it is our summary lecture. Today's subtopics are recapitulation of all the concepts, and practice sums from the chapter. Now, symmetrical figures. The figures which can be divided into two parts equally, are called symmetrical figures. The two parts of the figure are the mirror images of each other. And mirror image means something that looks exactly the same as another thing, but with its left and right sides in opposite positions. Okay, like say mirror image. This line across the figure is known as line of symmetry. And this portion is same as this portion, means left and right are same. And the figure is divided into two equal parts across this line. So this line is known as line of symmetry. And it is drawn dotted line. The line should be always dotted. Like this, butterfly is divided into two equal parts. Here also, the leaf is divided into two equal parts. And this figure also, it is also divided into two equal parts across the line of symmetry. Now, what do you mean by patterns? Patterns, they are formed by groups of shapes, objects, diagrams or numbers. Patterns can be geometrical patterns, number patterns. These are geometrical patterns in which geometrical shapes are used: circle, square, triangle, and these are squares, and design is made using compass. So these are geometrical patterns. And the another type which we will study, number patterns. Number patterns help us to find the solutions without performing the actual calculations. Here we will not do actual calculation that 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. No, we have to observe the pattern. 6 to 9, differences of 3. 9 to 12, differences of 3. In this way we will observe the pattern and then we will find the next answers. As it is showing the difference of 3, 6, then 9, then 12, then 15. Then 15 plus 3 will become 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So no need to do actual calculation for this. Now see these figures. The dotted line is dividing the figure into two equal parts. So this dotted line is known as line of symmetry. In the second figure, the figure can be of any shape. But if the figure is divided into two equal parts, then that dotted line will be known as line of symmetry. See in this figure, this dotted line is dividing the figure into two equal parts. Line of symmetry can be in any direction. Look in these figures. In these figures, in these shapes, they have more than one line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Here also, vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. See the shape. It has two lines of symmetry. The shape is not circular, it is oval. So it has two lines of symmetry. And circle has infinite lines of symmetries. See these capital letters. Alphabet A has vertical line of symmetry, E has horizontal line of symmetry, and H has horizontal and vertical, both line of symmetries. So it has two lines of symmetry. Now we will do this practice question. Draw the line or lines of symmetry. So see, heart shape has one line of symmetry. This shape, at the center you will draw. Horizontal line of symmetry can't be there because it is the shape of T. And in this bottom there is no horizontal line. So no line of symmetry will be there. Line of symmetry in this H. This is complete one. HID. इनको आपने अलग अलग करके नहीं पढ़ना है because it is complete single part. HID. So it is only horizontal line of symmetry. Otherwise H has two lines of symmetry, I has two lines of symmetry, horizontal and vertical both. जब तीनों एक साथ आए हैं then only one line of symmetry. Now see the next shape, leaf shape. Vertical line of symmetry, and here horizontal line of symmetry, which will divide the figure into two equal parts. Oval shape, horizontal and vertical two. Right? Here also in this shape plus sign is there, horizontal and vertical. This is vertical standing and it is horizontal line of symmetry. This side two lines of symmetry. Right? And in this only one, that is horizontal. Got it? Next question is, observe the pattern. And complete the following. Now see, the pattern is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 14. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to dash. Now see, 10, 14, difference is of 4. So next will be 18. Got it? No need to do actual calculation. Observe the pattern. Similarly, one more example I am going to take. One plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 20. Then 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to dash. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to dash. Now see, 15, sum of 5 consecutive numbers. 15. Again 5 consecutive numbers. So these are multiple of 5s. 15, 20. Differences of 5. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Right? One more example. Here it is written 14, 2. 21, 3. 28, 4. 35 and dash. Now look here. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. Dash sevens are 35. 5 sevens are. Got it? Or you can do calculation here in rough. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. You will get your answer here. Right? See this next pattern. 0 into 9 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 9 plus 2 is equal to 1. So don't do any actual calculation. 1, 11, 111, 1111. So 1 increase hota ja raha na. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 1 है. देखिए यहाँ 1 है तो आपका 1 नंबर आया. 2, 2 times 1, 3, 3 times 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? In this way, you can observe the pattern. Now see this next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 multiply by 27. Now 3 is given to us 9 times. And next all fill-ups are there. So we have to observe what is the relation between these two to get this answer. Okay. Look here beta. When we will multiply this number with 27, it means we are dividing 27 into 2 parts, 9 into 3. Okay, because 36, next is here 45, so these all are multiples. Next is 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So these are all multiples of 9. Or we can say multiples of 3. Okay. So now when we will multiply this number with 9, simple multiplication. Look here. Given number is this. 1,23,45,679 multiplied by 9. Because 27 is 9 into 3. When we will multiply it with 9, we will get this answer. Okay. 11 crore 11 lakh 11,111. So 9 times 1 is here. Now next number left is 3. When we will multiply it with 3, we will get 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 9 टाइम्स है तो 9 आपको 3 मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Three ones are 3 last. So this is your answer which you are getting in the question. Got it? So now 36 will become 9 fours. When we will multiply this given number with 9, we will get again 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 9 times. When we will multiply 1 with 4, we will get 9 times 4. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is multiple of 9 fives. Multiple of 9. Okay. Multiple of 9, multiple of 9, multiple of 9. So when it is 4, we are getting 9 times 4. When it is 5, 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? In this way you will do. Similarly here, 9 6 are 54. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sevens are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a pattern you have observed. 9 eights are. Next is 9 nines are. So 9 will be repeated. 9. 9 how many times? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? The next question is how many tiles are needed to fill this space? Square tiles. How many are needed? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many tiles are needed? 5 tiles. Now the next question is complete the tiling pattern. Now you observe the pattern. Shading is done in a triangular tile and one triangular tile is left. So you have to complete this tiling pattern. Follow the shading as it is given. In this way. Right? Using scale and pencil. See, in this way you will complete this tiling pattern. And now it's time to take homework. Homework is do assignment in maths notebook. assignment will be uploaded on EdQuark website as well as on your WhatsApp groups. And now it's time to do homework discussion of lecture 2. So take out your books. Worksheet questions were given. Question number 3 and 4 were given. Question 3, what will come next? So you have to observe this given pattern and you have to tell the next 2 figures. Look here. This figure is rotated to the right side. 90-degree rotation. Again 90-degree rotation. Again 90-degree rotation. Now it will move upward. And now again 90-degree rotation. It will move to the right side. Okay. Now see B part. A square has 4 triangles on the corners. Now circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. First figure, then third, and then fifth. These are of same type. So prepare the first figure here. Right? And second, fourth, sixth are same. So second figure will be made here. You all are very expert in drawing. Do it neatly, but same as it is drawn. Right? Now this 1, 3, 7, 13. 1, 2, 3. There is difference of 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 13 minus 7, 6. 2, 4, 6. Now 8 will be added in 13 and you will get 21. Right? You have to match only, you have already done it. And now 21 plus 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 21 plus 10, 31. 21 में 10 ऐड करना है आपको. Right? Question number 4. Follow the tiling pattern and complete. Again tiling pattern is here. Observe this. Shading carefully. Half, then full, then half. And next we will do half. But follow the direction carefully. Shading direction. Then full. But look here. See this direction of shading. दोनों तरफ अलग अलग डायरेक्शन है बेटा. Be careful for that. Right? And now again half and direction will be followed as given. After that there is gap, means आपके दो अब आपके ब्लैंक हैं, सो ये दोनों ब्लैंक रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट शेडिंग एज फास्ट इज डन. Okay, and here B part, half curve part is shaded. Different directions are there, again different directions are there in both. So जो डायरेक्शन आपके इस कर्व में है, the same you will follow for that. And the same this second curve direction in the second shading, second curve shading. ठीक है बेटा, सेम आपको फॉलो करना है. शेडिंग पैटर्न विल बी सेम एज इट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड. नाउ शेडिंग of this curve pattern as first one. And now like second shading, second curve shading in this. जैसा जैसा भी आपको पैटर्न में गिवन है सेम आपको फॉलो करना है. Right? Observe the shading in the left side curve and follow the same in all left side curves. Observe the shading in the right side curve and follow the same in the right side curves. It is left side curve. Okay, that's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.